Welcome to Visual Basic 2015 Car Dealer Management System. So I'm going to check those and select the type of car I intend to buy, BM, and just click on total, and that is it. So if I select, let's say, mileage to convert that to kilometers, and there. So let's say distance, we want to find the distance. You can always find out here by entering your value there, and right here as well, enter your name in there, and right here maybe enter your street name, then code in there, and telephone number, and you also have a receipt generated there. Click, and that is that. So what I will do now is take you guys straight into Visual Basic Development Environment 2015. Then we have a go at another one. Hi, welcome to Visual Basic Tutorial. I will start a new project, and let's give this project a name. We call it Car Systems, and let's save it in my select Windows Form Application and click on OK. Now the form is building up. Okay, now let's define our interface. So let's come to the property right here. So I need the size to be, let's go for 1370 by maybe 689. Okay, let's change the background, change the back color to black. So I just change that to black. Right, and the next thing is I'm gonna add some panels. Let me add about 8 of those, 8 panels. I actually want the color of those panels to be the default color, which is control. Right, so I'm just going to copy that along. So let's place this up here. That's right up here. There. So I'm just going to copy that, paste it right underneath, and reduce the size of that. Okay, move this, and let me copy one more, and here bring this here somewhere there, reduce that, and take it right down. Okay, now I need a couple more. I need one here, paste copied one again. Let's take that up. Yeah, that's about that size. Copy 2 of those, one here, one here. It's a little bit too big, so just adjust it. I want them to be about the same size, really. Okay, let's bring this one here. Right, take it up here. Okay, I move this up here. Okay, we are almost there now, so I'll just speed that up and get back to you guys. Alright, this is how the interface is looking right now. So if I run it, okay, this is how the interface is looking. The next thing I will do is just to start designing the whole interface, and so that we can finish it up on time. So the next thing is, let's get a label up here. We need one label. take it down right here, and I might as well just copy it across because I'm going to need a lot of labels around this system. One here, one here, one, I actually need two here, then I need two, yeah, then we need two here, somewhere here, another two up here. It's going to be required. Then we need a, let's go for checkbox. We need 5 of those there. Yeah, and this label, let's give that a name. Let's enter our title in there and increase the font size. Let's go for something a bit larger. Let's make that maybe 80. Right, so that might be too big. Alright, that's the label there. Okay, maybe reduce it a little bit. Go back to 72. Move it. Okay, that's there, and we then need ComboBox. We need one ComboBox here. Let's copy it across. Another one required here. Let's move both of them up a little bit. Now we need a TextBox. Right here and here. Take it down. Okay, we need labels. We need 4 of those here. TextBox. I want TextBox here as well. Make this one multi-line, just drag it and drag it down as well. That will be for the reset. Okay, we also need a text box. No, we might need a text box here. Okay, we already have text box. Then we need buttons. Let's go for command buttons. Let's see, one here, 2 of those. Then right underneath here we need about 3 buttons, maybe, yeah. Okay, yeah, let's do 2 more. Alright, we have all our buttons in place. 2 more things missing really. 2 ComboBox, one here and another one here, and that should do it. So if I run my interface now, you will see a skeleton of how your system will look. Let me show it to you right there, guys. This is how the system is going to look. So what I'll do next is just speed it up and get back to you guys. Okay fellows, after the modification, this is how the whole system is looking. There's still a little bit of more modification that I will have to implement. As you can see, I've taken off one button here. Maybe I should add it back, I don't know. I may have to add it though. I might as well add a button. I'm just being lazy. Let's put a button back there. Come back here. Just move this one side. Add one more button there. Just call that one reset. Yeah, that's the reset button ready. Let's just give it a name as well. Alright, that one is ready. So I now have in total four buttons there anyway. So let's run that. Now this is how it's looking. I will settle for this. Okay, a little bit of more modification requires. Let me just take care of that and I'll get back to you. It's just to make all of these text, just to make it bold, and that's it, and give them all a name. Okay, this is how the interface is looking now. But as you can see up here, the title is italic, so maybe I should just make it consistent. So to do that, I'll come in here, just select all. Let's select all, Control A, select it all, or I can just maybe not do that. Select all of the panels, all panels selected, and just click on the font, select italic for all, and that's it. That's all I need to do, so that's much better. Okay, let's start with the code, and the first thing is, so let's double click on exit and take care of that right there. Exit. I think that'll be application. Exit. So that's exits taken care of. Now reset. Let's come in here to reset and look after the rest. LBL. No, let's start with txt. Txt address dot text equals there, and txt distance dot text. Okay, so I'll just copy this and be pasting along, and another txt kilo, paste, txt name, and txt postcode, txt receipt there, txt telephone there. And now let's take care of the LBLs. LBL car, I will leave that alone for the while. I'll come back to that. And LBL distance, yeah, that has to go too. LBL kilo has to go. LBL subtotal, LBL tax, LBL total, LBL trading. Yeah, those are all taken care of. Now let's see the other ones. Let's see. Okay, so I will enter in there the text. Let's make it select a car. So that's one. The other one is, okay, I will just comment this out and get back to that. Now let's come up here. Let's come in here on the form. Let's right click on the form or double click on it. Okay, right there. Let's go for CMD, choose a car, dot items, dot add. We want to add the following. So in the first place, let's go for maybe or brand the car. Let's go for Ford. Okay, and we need to add a couple more. So that will do. and here let's go for maybe something like BMW, and here go for golf, and here let's go for maybe polo or something. Yeah, that's fine. Now we also need the other ones. We need it to be able to convert to, that is for distance. We need to calculate distance dot items dot add. So open that up. The first one will be distance. Let's calculate the distance. Let's copy, and we need to then calculate the speed and time as well. So this one will be speed, and this will be time. Nice one. So the next one is CMD. We need kilo right there. Dot items dot add, and that is for, let's go for kilometer. Speech mark there. Right. So let's copy this. We need maybe one or two more. Just one more. We don't. That will do. Let's go for mile right here. So those are the content that will appear on the ComboBox. So if I run it now, I think I need one more ComboBox. There's one for here, one more ComboBox here. Let's add that here. CMD, I think it's called trading. I don't have it on board, so I have to give it a name. Let's come back in there. This very ComboBox has no name. Yep. CMD. Let's call it trade in. Now back to the form. So now CMD trading dot items dot add. So, okay, the first value will be, let's make that approximately 5,000. So if the mileage is 5,000, okay, so the other one, let's go for, no, let's make that 50,000, and here 100,000. And here that'll be 200,000. Okay, 500,000 there. So in the case of the trade-in, if you have a car with mileage less than 500,000, you might be able to get a refund of about maybe 5,000, which you can add towards your car. If your mileage is between 0 and 100,000, you may end up with maybe 3,000, and if your mileage is 20,000 plus, 200,000 plus, let's say you end up with about 1,005, and if you're 500,000 and above, you may end up with maybe, here, let's make this 1,000. Okay, that's the value of your car, no matter the model of your car. Even if it's Porsche, that's what you pay for. Okay, now let's run this program and see how it's looking. Okay, this is how the system looks now. So as you guys can see, that's fine, but I do need a default value for all of these. So let's come into the codes right in there. I think default value, I think maybe there's meant to be an equals here. Let's just change that to equals sign and get rid of this. So hopefully that should do it. Yeah, I think that's fine. Let's make that call. So we now have a default value for this. Now the default value for trade a car in, let's make the default value in that case, let that be .text equals, yeah, that's fine. And what about the default value for this? That will be .text equals make a selection, or let's just say select distance, select distance, right? And the other one is that will be .text equals select mileage. Alright, okay, then we have those as our default. So let's come in here. So when we reset that, the system will have to default back to those settings. So paste that in there. I think there's one more. Select distance. Okay, the reset is taken care of. Form load is taken care of as well. Yeah, that's the reset. Those are the lines of code for resets. That's the exit code. And if you come right down here, these are the lines of code for form load. So let's run this system and just have a go at it. Right, as you can see, all the default settings are in place. I just need to extend this a little bit more. That's fine. So we can get distance there, kilo in there. Okay, that's the mileage, the car you're going for. So the whole idea is when you select any car, I want the price to enter here, and whatever trading the car or trading, want it in there, the cost or the amount of the trading car in here. Alright, let's go back to the coding area and take care of that.